For today's headline news, PRC to hold special licensure exams in Saudi in October. Filipinos in Saudi Arabia can avail of special licensure exams to be administered by the Professional Regulation Commission this October, the Philippine Embassy in Riyadh said over the weekend. The embassy cited an announcement by the PRC that the special licensure board examinations will be conducted in the Middle East on October 15, 16, and 17. Submission of list of pre-qualified applicants for the applicable licensure examinations by the POLO or Philippine Overseas Labor Office to PRC is until Thursday, August 15, 2013. Applicants may file their applications via online application system, which can be accessed at the website. The testing centers are Abu Dhabi, UAE, Doha, Qatar, Riyadh, KSA, Jeddah, KSA, and the licensure board examinations are for architects, certified public accountants, civil engineers, registered electrical engineers, and registered master electricians, electronic engineers, mechanical engineers, and nurses. Upon the submission of application for licensure examinations via OAS, documents are to be submitted by the applicants to the POLOs until Friday, September 13. The payment of examination fees shall be remitted by the applicants or examinees through the designated Land Bank of the Philippines Overseas Remittance Office. An excerpt from ELR GMA News. This is AJ from Turku, Finland, broadcasting live streaming only here in Freedom Online Radio 104.0.